This is one of the more harder to find versions of the W-2013 or the W-13. It's got the plastic grill instead of a all metal one, and it also has the speed plate instead of the speeds being put on the dial and then having a toggle switch to set the rotation direction. This one is in dire need of being repainted. Very rusted. It operates well though. Turn it around. Here's where it gets pretty rough. Back grill's all rusted out pretty bad. It's mostly surface rust on this fan, so it's not too terrible to repaint, fortunately. So now we'll run it in reverse. This has a 7-position switch instead of having just a standard 3-speed and then a reverse toggle. So now we're running it in exhaust. The fan runs better in exhaust. It has a lot lower speeds than most of my other ones. And this one seems to take a while to get up to speed. The blade hub appears to be bent, but I used a clip on there and weighted it out differently, and it seemed to balance pretty well. It seems to run just fine. It's powerful enough to be spinning the W-23 over here, my other reversible 5-wing, in reverse. They put out a ton of power. It's got the best sound in reverse. It's got a really nice sound to it. But no, these are one of the harder ones to come by, especially with that switch design on here with the 7-position and the speed plate instead of it being on the dial. The other ones would look more like this setup. I have one like that, except mine's in the beige color. I don't have the toggle switch version of the Spruce blue ones. But I do have a standard 3-speed and a 3-speed reversible beige one. Those date from about 1965, and then they transitioned to the 5-wings, and this one dates about 1960 to about very end of 1962.